Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Shiba Inu to MetaMask safely step by step clearly. To transfer Shiba Inu to MetaMask safely, first, ensure you have the MetaMask extension installed on your browser. Open your browser and log into your MetaMask wallet. If you do not have a MetaMask wallet, download it from the official website and set it up by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, click on the account icon in the top right corner to access your account details. Now, note down the Ethereum wallet address displayed under your account name. Next, open the exchange or wallet where your Shiba Inu tokens are currently stored. Locate the option to withdraw or send cryptocurrency. In the withdrawal section, select Shiba Inu from the list of available tokens. Paste your MetaMask Ethereum wallet address into the designated field for the recipient's address. Double-check the address to ensure it is correct to avoid any potential loss of tokens. Enter the amount of Shiba Inu you wish to transfer. Review any transaction fees associated with the withdrawal. If everything looks correct, proceed by confirming the transaction. Wait for the transaction to be processed, which may take several minutes depending on the network. Once the transaction is completed, open your MetaMask wallet again. Refresh your MetaMask wallet to see the updated balance. If Shiba Inu does not appear in your wallet, click on the Import Tokens option. Search for Shiba Inu by entering its contract address. You can find the correct contract address on the official Shiba Inu website or through a reputable source. Add the token, and the balance should now be visible in your MetaMask wallet. Always ensure you follow security best practices, such as enabling two-factor authentication on your accounts. This completes the process of safely transferring Shiba Inu to your MetaMask wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.